Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just wanted to show you a good way, in my opinion, to buy the Bitcoin ETF, spot ETF through Fidelity. So if you have a Fidelity account or you've created one, a brokerage account, and have it already linked to your bank account, it's just typical, setting up of accounts. And then say you want to buy the Bitcoin spot ETF on a dollar cost average weekly budget. So I think that would be appealing to a lot of people that are lower income or don't have a lot of excessive funds to put out there, like myself. So in order to do that, you have to acknowledge that you're going to be willing to invest in a higher risk asset before it'll let you do a recurring buy. So before I show you how to do a recurring buy, just go into your account and then click your little trade button here. You can leave it on stock ETF, and then you want to select your account that you want to purchase Bitcoin in. We're not going to purchase here. We're just trying to satisfy the agreement up front. It won't let you do it in the recurring buy section. It tells you to go to the PC. I tried. I'm on the PC. So this was my workaround. So your symbol would be Fidelity, FBTC. Fidelity Bitcoin. There's Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin. So Fidelity does store their Bitcoin. They are not using Coinbase for custody. So here comes up with the price and then the action. We can just put in buy and just one. Like I said, we're not buying here. We're just trying to complete this agreement. Market, so we're filling in the fields. Day is fine. Preview order. Now you can preview, and then it should give you the alert. Hey, you need to agree that you're in a aggressive risk asset class. So you read the disclaimer, you can accept and continue. So once you've done that, we can just get out of this order. We just wanted to satisfy that agreement. Now we can go to the account we set up to purchase it in our brokerage account. We just go to this field over here that says more. And we want to go to account features, and here you can do all kinds of different things. But for this weekly buy, we just want to do a recurring transaction. You can see here, click on manage. And then what you're going to do is create a new activity. And of course, we want to invest. So this will be a recurring investment. Again, leave it on stocks ETFs. We're kind of going through the same thing as if we did a one-time buy, but here we're doing the weekly. Select the account. Again, the symbol FBTC. Okay, the amount. And just say you just wanted to do something conservative. $10. Okay, we want to do a $10. And then here you can select the frequency. I like the weekly because you get a better dollar cost averaging, in my opinion, with the up and downs. So you can select weekly, the day, whatever day you want to trade, the day you're going to start. You can put that in there. And then an end date, if you have an end date in mind, you want that to stop purchasing. I'm just going to leave this open. I'll return to the account and stop it when I want to. And then the bank account you have linked, I want to use that just to make it easy. So it's going to select my bank, and then I can preview the order. And it says, okay, here you're going to, in your account, you want to buy this stock ETF. The symbol is FBTC, and you're wanting to invest $10 weekly. And you're wanting that to transact on a Friday. There's your start date, and then your bank account. And then you just confirm that. So that's all there is to it. I wanted to share that with you guys and gals. I thought this was really neat through Fidelity because it's really hard to save up the money, in my opinion, and just go in and make lump sum purchases. So it's nice to buy that, weekly dollar cost average. And it's a good way to put you in the position of the spot ETF through Fidelity. And then another little neat feature, if you want to create a new activity, they do have a smart habits. And it shows you what this does. If you just want to save up some cash and invest that later, You can do a 52-week challenge. You can just start with $1 a week, and then it automatically adds an additional dollar each week until 52 weeks is up. So after 1 year, you would have nearly $1,400. So I thought that was pretty neat. If it's hard for you to just save the money up in a large lump sum and invest, this is a good way to do it. So I think this is appealing to a lot of people that are on a budget. But mainly, I wanted to show you that weekly buy for the Bitcoin and position yourself there with a low dollar cost average, easy peasy program, and how to do that in Fidelity. Hope it helps. Thank you and have a good one.